diesel. Looks like diesel. Filter looks good. You know, from my vast experience messing with the filters. Looks like we've got fuel in it. So I guess that looks right.